This is a guide that will introduce you to the basics of diversification, what it is, what purpose it serves, and whether it's worth implementing. What is diversification? In simple terms, it's a strategy aimed at expanding the variety of our investments. The goal of diversification is to ensure that if problems arise with one of the instruments in our portfolio, it doesn't affect our other investments, allowing us to maintain financial comfort and peace of mind. I touched on the topic of diversification in the investment mindset section. Now, let's delve deeper into this concept. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, diversification involves spreading our financial input across various projects that are not interconnected and preferably independent of each other. To illustrate, we can allocate our funds to several different areas. For example, invest in a decentralized exchange, something related to gaming, a memecoin, a metaverse project, retain some in Bitcoin, choose a project from Layer 3, a token from a centralized exchange, and a Dogecoin coin. With this distribution, if any of the cryptocurrencies we own ceases to exist overnight for any reason, like a programming error or a hack, we would only lose a fraction of the amount we invested. A common and significant investment mistake is relying solely on one project and making all-in purchases. After such investments, tension often arises, leading to constant monitoring of the chart every 15 minutes, sleepless nights, and disappointment when the price drops below our purchase price. Let's assume that when buying just one project, the chance of success is 50-50. If you're lucky, that's great, but if not, things can get complicated. Conversely, by investing in 10 different cryptocurrencies, you have 10 different opportunities for one of the chosen tokens to shine during a bullish market. Even if some of the coins you selected lose value, the others have a chance to recover those losses and generate profits simultaneously. The exception to this situation is investing only in Bitcoin. Due to its strong fundamentals and its position at the forefront of the cryptocurrency list, it's a good option for those who prefer not to dabble in altcoins. Please remember that there's no such thing as a guaranteed situation in the market. Even if you're 100% sure that one particular altcoin you've chosen is the best and will definitely increase in value, unforeseen events can always disrupt that scenario. We cannot predict the future. We can only choose the most likely scenario while being aware that less likely events sometimes occur. A perfect example is the story of the Terra Luna project, which simply collapsed in May 2022, causing people to lose vast amounts of money. I'll be honest, I used to think the same way and believed I was smarter than the market. It turned out that I wasn't. And diversification is the only correct approach, offering an excellent risk-to-reward ratio. I hope that with time, you'll come to the same conclusion. If you manage to achieve success in the cryptocurrency market, you can diversify beyond exchanges into real estate, gold, silver, art, watches, wines, vinyl records, diamonds, or even comics. The choice is truly vast, and everyone will find something suitable. All the items mentioned earlier allow the transfer of value over time. Some appreciate slowly, while others do so rapidly. Some can be bought and sold instantly, while others require much more time. Nevertheless, everyone can find something for themselves. This is how people who never worry about money operate. If you have your capital spread across such diverse places and industries, regardless of what happens, you'll be able to react and manage your assets as needed. Remember, you don't need millions to start. All it takes is determination and an idea. Once you begin and develop the habit, adhering to your decisions, your friends and family will admire how well you control your finances. They don't teach this in school. It's knowledge and skills you have to learn on your own, which is why it yields such incredible results. Is it worth it? Imagine the feeling of knowing that you never have to worry about savings again. Picture yourself where inflation is not your concern. Consider whether you want to reach a point where losing your job overnight doesn't keep you up at night. That's exactly what diversification solves, among many other problems. If you find this concept appealing but don't know where to start and it seems challenging, don't worry. Not everything happens all at once. Give yourself some time, strive to learn, read a lot, watch educational materials on related topics. Eventually, everything will become simple, straightforward, and real. Good luck, I'm rooting for you.